Hello friends, it's me, Teddy. Today, we will learn how to draw the famous character Peppa. Let's begin by drawing a large circle for the nose. Inside the circle, add 2 black dots for the nostrils. Next to the nose, draw 2 smaller circles for the eyes and add a dot in each to represent the pupils. Now, starting from the top of the nose, draw a curved line that forms a big C shape. Finish the curve by converting it into a smaller curve and attaching it to the other end of the nose. For Peppa's smile, draw a curved line in the shape of a C at a circle for her cheek. Moving on to the ears, draw 2 reverse U shapes on top of her head. Now, let's draw Peppa's body. Begin with a C curve that continues into a straight line. From one point of the curve, draw 2 straight parallel lines. Connect these lines by drawing 3 U shapes to form her fingers. Repeat this process on the other side to create her second arm. Finally, join the open shape with a curved line. Great! Let's move on to her legs. Draw oval shapes for her feet, making one side straight. Repeat this for the other foot. To complete her legs, draw 2 lines parallel to each other on each foot. Lastly, let's draw Peppa's tail. Create 2 hook-like shapes, and then draw a U shape to complete the tail. Yay! Our Peppa Pig drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more, and happy drawing!